And now, you're disturbing the crypt with Lost Boy.
I think it's fair and just an actual fact that this next man truly owns Halloween. Everything about him is the epitome of this great holiday. Alice Cooper, another Phoenix local. I saw him for the first time back on the Dragontown tour, actually, and have seen him a handful of times since then, and I've got to admit, he's got one of the greatest live shows on the planet, if not the greatest. The theatrics are absolutely amazing, paired with the timeless music that he's made. It makes for an incredible performance. I've got 4 awesome songs in this block. The first one's going to be Feed My Frankenstein. The next one's No More Mr. Nice Guy. Then we're going to play Poison. And for the final song in our Alice Cooper block, we have Teenage Frankenstein from 1986's Constrictor album. It's the mayor of Halloween, Alice Cooper.